So as many of you know, we have got a project going on. We are reconstructing the guinea pig farm area, and I would like to have y'all's opinion. I have got 3 different ways that I'm thinking about doing it, but I want to know, what do you find more attractive? First, we have the hardware cloth. If we keep the hardware cloth, we're going to be replacing these white T-posts with taller black T-posts. Or we have the decorative fencing, as you see, that we just put up here. Decorative fencing, mesh cloth over there. Or we'll have a 3-wood wall with the decorative top on it. Tell me what you guys think. Which ones do you guys think would be best? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and share, follow. Get us out there.